Hi everybody, Adore from Adore's Ramblings here. I had an idea, well not an idea, I shouldn't say that, it's not my idea. I'm stealing this idea off of the internet, alright, like we all do. I've seen these done on Pinterest and YouTube and the like. A cat house. I love my Milo, he's my familiar. I love him very, very much. And I decided I wanted to make him a little cat house. So I thought, you know what, with everybody getting packages in the mail today from like Amazon and everything from ordering for the holidays, I'm sure everybody has a box around, right? So I did, and I do, and I thought, you know what, this is going to work. Now I'm just looking and I'm trying to decide, how do I want to do this? I know it's a pretty big box, but I've got a pretty big cat. So I'm just wondering, do I want to put the door on this side or this side? Because this is going to go into my bedroom. I think it might be better this side where I want to place it. Now I could not find a black Sharpie, but I did find a red one. So yeah, so what you're going to need for this is a box, a Sharpie to just trace your line out for your door, something to cut the cardboard with, and then material such, whatever you find that you want to cover it up with. You can use paper, you can use leftover t-shirts from whoever, you know, instead of throwing them out, reuse. What's the saying? Reuse, repurpose, recycle, recycle, reuse, repurpose. All of the three work very well. So I have some material. My mother is a quilter, thankfully, and she's not one for using the material that has patterns and stuff on it. She likes, she's got her favorites, but there's some that are a basic pattern, like this one was, that she let me have. And I've been debating and looking at it and wondering what, I wanted to use it. I really did. I just didn't know where and how. And you know what? This was the great idea for it. This is absolutely perfect. So this is not going to be, like I said, a professional job by any means. I'm going to be using a lot of glue and trying my best. Now you can do this much better, I'm sure. You can probably iron it all out, and you know what, I'm too impatient for that. I really, really am. I have no patience whatsoever. I get the ideas in my head and then I want to rush my way through it. Now, is that a proper way to do things? Of course not. Debating on what I want to do around the door. I've got some different colored ribbon. I've got some rope that I could glue on, which I'm kind of leaning more towards. Hi everybody, I'm back. Alrighty, so I've got it all covered, and another thought that I thought what I might do, another thought that I thought that I might do, is put this no-slip thing on the bottom of it as well, just to make sure, because I want to put something on the side of it too, as I'm thinking. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this string to attach it somehow to give him some sort of a scratching post, and then maybe he will leave my furniture alone, which would be nice. So yeah, so that's my next step. I'm going to put that on the bottom. We're going to trim it up to size here. So yeah, I was never a cat person. Never was. I still wouldn't consider myself a cat person today. I would not. Nope. I consider myself still a dog person, but I really think sometimes that Milo considers himself a dog more than a cat, to be honest with you. You know that commercial about the Whiskas cat food? Not sponsored. Whiskas cat food, where they shake it and the cat comes running no matter what's through, a drywall, whatever. That is Milo with the Whiskas cat treats. I swear, no word of a lie. You just have to go out and shake that bag and he comes on running. It's really funny to watch. And then he also comes to me like any animal, you know, whenever you call their name, he'll come running to me almost like my Jackson does. So yeah. Okay, now we've got to figure out how I'm going to get the door. Okay, so that's the front, and I know you can see a line right across here. You can see that, but I'm going to cover that up with ribbon. And yes, I did it again. Put my hand in wet glue. See, that's why I don't like doing this stuff on camera. Alrighty, so let's see here. There is the center. The door is right here. We're going to pop that through the middle. Now, you know what? I haven't done this before. This is the first time for both of us, so it's going to be interesting to see if this is a, you know what, this turned out pretty good. Maybe you should try it to a do not do this ever, or, you know what, try it this way and see what happens. All right, so that's how I've done it. You might have a better way, so you're just kind of opening it up a doorway like this here. And it's a lot easier to maneuver the box around now that I got him out of it. As I'm working, he won't even let me finish it. Look at him. He won't even let me finish it. Look at him. I think he's going to like it. Lots and lots of fun. So yes, now I'm just going to glue this around because I'm going to put a pillow on the basin here. He's going to have his own pillow. He's going to have his own little bed. He really likes soft blankets. Oh, this is, you know, is there anything else that you guys want me to give a shot to do? You know, any DIY crafty thing, you see something, you know, you don't think you have the time to try and do, or would it work? You know, comment below. I'll give it a shot. I'm home all day. As long as it doesn't cost me an arm and a leg to get the supplies to do it, no, I'll give it a shot. And then you can watch and see what I did. If I messed it up, if I didn't. If I smash it and make it ravishing, then yeah, that's what you do. Milo. Cat, I'm telling you. So that is how I have it. So there, yeah. Okay, and I just realized that I have flaps from the inside because I don't fold a box by crisscrossing. I just 2 and 2 and the box gets folded. So that's what I do. So we'll just give a few drops. It doesn't need really much, you know, it just needs enough to keep it up there so that it doesn't fall down on him. Okay, so there we go. That is done. So now all I'm going to do to clean it up and make it look a little bit nicer, I think I'm going to wrap some ribbon around it. Again, probably a silly idea to do because I'm doing this for a cat. But you know what? I like to do silly things sometimes. Now, this is a really cute idea if you have the just materials. It doesn't cost much. Everything other than the material I got at the dollar store. The ribbon was bought at the dollar. Well, I'm sorry, I shouldn't say a dollar store. For us here, it's Dollarama, and there's really not much in that store that you can say actually costs $1 anymore. So, but that's all right. It's still not too bad. So you still got to, you know, compare your prices somewhere else. Because yes, you can get something comparably priced somewhere else. Most of go. This is maybe I should put one down here and hide this and kind of give it like a, yeah, why not? That looks kind of cute. Let's do that. Let's do that. So there, yeah, this is my cat house. This is for my Milo. So here we go. Let me just move this down here. I know I probably did this a silly, silly way, but it's what I do. One of these days I'll learn how to do things right. There we go. Okay. So there. This is my cat house. That is it. Tell me what you think. Those things fell down. I'll have to find something better than the glue to put those up. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'll get those to stick up. So now all I have to do is stick a pillow in there. And that is it. My Milo has a home. It's going to go at the foot of my bed, where I hope he will stay off of everybody else's feet that he's tending to do lately. Going from room to room, and I guess see who kicks him out and who doesn't. But yeah, so here, this is my cat house. I hope you like it. Give it a shot. If you make your own, send me a picture. Let me know what you think. Whatever. I am thinking and looking at the next craft that I want to do. I have a few in mind of some pretty pretty cheap DIY gift ideas. So yeah, so look forward to that coming up probably the next video. I have the supplies sitting right over there. I'm just waiting for a few more things to come in from my lovely Amazon. I love that store. A colleague of mine, an old colleague of mine from where I used to work before my disability. Hey everybody at St. Mary's. She told me about Amazon, and I'm so thankful for her today for doing that, because otherwise I really would not get half the little crafty supplies that I need, because what I don't get at the dollar store, I usually get off of Amazon. That's how it works. So that's how I shop. So yeah, so this is my cat house. I hope you make one. If you do, post me a picture, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and give me